Ron here with A Perfectly Imperfect Marriage, and want to talk to you a little bit about our forgiveness key, which is the third step in our newly sober spouse marriage revival, grow, restore, strengthen program. And as I'm sure you can guess from the title, this is specific to couples who are on the other side of sobriety and really diving into putting the pieces back together that we all screw up on that side of addiction. Now, if this information resonates with you, if you like it, make sure you like the video, hit that subscribe button, follow us on the YouTube channel where we really dive deep into a number of different marriage topics. But in this particular video, we're going to be talking about our forgiveness key. Again, step 3 of the Marriage Revival, Grow, Restore, Strengthen program. Now, here we're going to be diving into things like emotional freedom, restored trust, deepening our connection with each other, how to reduce conflicts, and also how to resolve them quickly, and then spiritual growth. And now, who in their marriage really doesn't want these things, right? I mean, that's what we're chasing here is a stronger, healthier marriage. Now, you may have engaged with Samantha and I, you may not have. Really, it doesn't matter. But I want you to know, I mean, yeah, we've got some certifications. Yes, we've done some schooling. But really, we're coming at this from experience. We are both on the other side of sobriety. In 2017, we were on the verge of divorce. So we understand, where you're at, the struggles, the hurdles, the pain, and how important transformation is, how important it is to get to the other side of this. And, we're really here to walk alongside you on this journey and help you to get to where you really want to go and where you deserve to go. Some of the struggles that we've experienced over the years with getting through this step, finding it hard to forgive deeply, believing that forgiveness is somehow a sign of weakness, and then assuming that you yourself aren't worthy of forgiveness. These are all false, they're lies. And we're going to unpack these and work through these together. Now, this is our forgiveness key cheat sheet. It's a one-page SOP on some of the steps, not only that we're going to go over through this forgiveness key step when we work together, but I'd love to get a copy of this to you at no cost, free gift for you. Ideally, it'll help give you guys a head start, a jump start to healing, and developing the marriage that you want. There will be a link below. Like I said, it's a free copy. Um, Again, this is step 3 in the overall program, and this is the roadmap that we take to get from where we are now, the struggles that we're currently walking through, to the transformation on the other side. Peace, happiness, a healthy marriage, a strong relationship. And you know what? These things are possible. Samantha and I walked through this fire. We are on the other side, stronger and healthier now than we ever were before. And that transformation is absolutely possible for you. You got to take the first step. You've got to be willing to put in some work and some effort. It's not just a, wave the magic wand and everything is healed kind of program. You got to be willing to work the program if you want to see the transformation. Now, I'm going to put a link below also to our website. You can learn a little bit more about the program as well as learn some more about Samantha and I. Again, that forgiveness key cheat sheet is there, our gift to you. And then feel free to schedule some time on our calendar. We'd love to talk to you, review some of the ins and outs about the program. Make sure that we are a good fit for each other if we're looking to work together. This program isn't for everybody, nor are we willing to work with everybody. So we'd want to cover that bridge too. But again, if this information resonates with you, if you're really want to learn more, subscribe to the channel and schedule some time for a chat. I look forward to talking with you.